Igbo. Igbo Amaka is inviting all Igbo organizations and every professional and skilled Igbo person to a second follow-up meeting of the conference held in Leicester-shire on the 27th of April 2013, titled A Quest for Security and Investment in Igbo Land. This second follow-up meeting will be held in Birmingham on Saturday the 14th of September 2013 at Ladywood Community and Health Center, St. Vincent Street, West Ladywood, Birmingham, B16 8RP, from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. In the last meeting held in Liverpool, we visited the Igbo House, Liverpool, a monumental place. Then a workshop was held, which highlighted on most of the strategies that we can use to unite ourselves here in the UK and then make changes back home. We are now going to Birmingham to conclude and start implementing these strategies. Please be there because your presence is very well needed. DVDs of both the first conference in Leicestershire and the follow-up meeting in Liverpool are available for you to obtain copies so that you can fully participate in the forthcoming one in Birmingham. For all your queries about these meetings, please contact the following: Igbo Amaka 0794 6737 951, Mazi Chris Nwazuloke Mwafenna, Chairman of Eziowele Developmental Union UK, 07588 819 042, Chief Nice Mwokolo Mwachinemelo, Chairman of Ndibo Leicestershire, 0781 779 6032, Professor Chike Odwoza, Chairman, Igbo Community Association in the Midlands, ICAM, 0121 464 8625. Ndewono.